In the Ramayana, when Lord Ram, Lakshman and Sita were in the forest, Ravana came and kidnapped Sita. As Ravana was flying away in his Pushpak Viman, in his aircraft carrier, taking Sita along with him, he was stopped by a great devotee of Lord Ram called Jatayu. Jatayu was a very close friend of Dasharath Maharaj, and he had been completely absorbed in thinking and remembering the lotus feet of Lord Ram. Jatayu had been aspiring to perform some service to Lord Ram for a very long period of time, and now this opportunity came to him. Jatayu was a vulture, not considered to be a very high or advanced species. A vulture is generally looked down upon in society. Being a vulture, he was actually very much eager to fight on behalf of Lord Ram against Ravan, protect Sita Devi. As the Pushpak Viman was flying through, Jatayu with all of his force attacked Ravana. In the beginning, Ravana thought that this bird may be an ordinary bird, and simply by using some of his instruments, simply by using some of his weapons, he'll be able to push Jatayu away. But then Ravana saw that Jatayu means business, and the attack by Jatayu was extremely intense. Here was Ravana, a very, very powerful demon, equipped with all kinds of powerful weapons. Here was Jatayu, who was a simple bird having no weapons but only the claws. Ravana was young, powerful, energetic. Jatayu was practically old, losing in strength, and he had nothing else except his intense desire to be victorious, to protect Lord Ram and Lord Ram's interests by helping Sita Devi. So Jatayu, when attacked Ravana could not handle that attack. And then at one point of time it appeared that Ravana would be defeated. Then Ravana actually got back with full force and used his weapons to chop down Jatayu's wings. And ultimately, by the strength of Ravana's weapons, Jatayu was very deeply wounded, and he fell down on the ground, awaiting his death. From one perspective, Jatayu lost the battle. From another perspective, Jatayu gave his 100% in serving Lord Ram against Ravana, and therefore he did not hold back anything within himself. And therefore, there are different ways in which success can be viewed. Some view success as the ability to achieve a certain result. But from the perspective of the sacred scriptures, success is not holding back anything in one's efforts to serve the Supreme Lord, His devotees, and society at large. From that perspective, Jatayu was supremely successful because he was not concerned with any false dreams of this world. He was only focused in his attention on how I can serve Lord Ram and please him. Na rupamasyeha tathopalabhyate nanto cha nadirna cha sampratishtha ashvattamenam suvirudha moolam asanga shastrena dridhena chitva. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna describes that this material world is a perverted reflection of the spiritual world. And by looking at objects of this material world, we can understand that this is a reflection of the original experience in the spiritual world. Ravana was dedicating his life for enjoyment and selfishness. Jatayu was dedicating himself for service and to give pleasure to Ram and Ram's devotees. All of us have this choice to find peace within, either through selfless service or lose our peace and be in anxiety by accepting selfishness.